In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone's access to a Google Drive file. This is a simple but important skill for keeping your documents secure and making sure only the right people can view or edit your content. First, log into Google Drive using the account that owns the file or has permission to manage sharing. It's a good idea to double check you're in the correct account if you use more than one, so you're editing the right file settings. Next, go to the file you want to edit. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top if that's quicker. Once you see the file, right-click on it. On a trackpad or touch device, this may be a two-finger click or a long press depending on your settings. From the menu that appears, go to Share. If you already have the file open, you'll also see a Share button near the top right. Both options lead to the same place. Then click Share to open the sharing window. In the sharing window, you'll see the list of people with access to the file. This typically shows their names and email addresses, as well as their current permission level, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you remove the correct person. If multiple people have similar names, look closely at the email address to confirm you've identified the right entry. When you've found the person you want to remove, click the drop-down beside their name. This drop-down usually shows their current role. In addition to changing roles, it includes the option to remove access. Click Remove Access. This action takes away their ability to open the file, and they'll no longer be able to view, comment, or edit it. Finally, save your changes. You'll typically see a Save or Done button in the sharing window. Click that to confirm the update. After saving, the person's name should no longer appear in the access list, which is a quick way to verify the change. A couple of quick notes for clarity. You need to be the file owner or have the necessary permissions to remove someone's access. Also, you generally cannot remove the owner of a file. If the option to remove someone doesn't appear, it may be due to your permission level or organizational settings. That's it. You've successfully removed someone's access to a Google Drive file. Keeping your sharing list up to date helps protect your information and ensures collaboration stays focused and secure.